I'm using about 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 sausage and 1 large onion. The potatoes and sausages are already fried, so this is just the final touch. I start with a little oil in the pan, then add the onions. Let them soften and turn a little bit golden. Next, I add in the potatoes and sausages and give everything a gentle toss. Once they are warmed through, I sprinkle in some salt, garlic powder, and paprika, just enough to bring out the flavor and color. The smell at this point, warm, smoky, and so good. Finally, I finish with a handful of fresh coriander to brighten it up. Simple, colorful, and done. I served mine with a glass of fresh juice. Quick, easy, and full of flavor, just how I like it.